Education Today. In this segment, you're going to see some great little chefs who have cooked some yummy dishes for us. Are you ready? Come along. The little chef who is going to cook for us today is Anant Mishra, 11 years old, Army Public School.
I'm going to make a banana ice cream of less ingredients. So let's get started. So we need a mixer grinder. So first we will pour some big cup of milk here. And we need some bananas which we have kept for 2 hours in our freezer. So we are putting it inside. Now we need 1 cup of sugar. Let's grind it. First we will grind these bananas and milk. For 2 to 3 minutes. Now we will put some biscuits, some sugar and 1 teaspoon of cocoa powder. Now we should grind it again. Let's keep it in the mixie again and lock it. Then start it grinding again. You can take hide and seek biscuits. We should grind it for 5 minutes. It has been ground. So let's off it. Now we should take it out. You can take any plastic container or a steel container. So you need to cover it up from a foil paper. So I am taking out my mixture out of my mixie. Now we are pouring it into our box. So see, you can see it is looking so nice. Now we will take a foil paper, or you can take a plastic bag. We will keep the foil paper and take the cap of it and we put it like this. And we should keep it in the refrigerator for 8 to 12 hours in night. And in the morning you can enjoy your ice cream. And now our ice cream is ready. So let's take out it. Now you can see it's looking so yummy. Let's take out it and taste it. It's really very yummy. Thank you. Have a nice day ahead.
That's all for today. I hope you loved this recipe and surely you will try at home. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. For more such videos, log on to www.theENN.com. Signing off, Janavi.